Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friend, in this video, I'm talking about the very biggest mistake of all Vechain holders. This is the urgent alert news for all of you, my friends. Now, because you can see here in the beginning of the July, the price of Vechain is very badly fast down, and the price is going to down, my friends. So that's why a lot of people start a very big mistake, my friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from those. For better understanding, keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, first of all, you can see here, let me show you the price changes. You can see here that the last 1 week and last 24 hours changes occurs in the Vechain is negative. So as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the Vechain price is very badly falls down in the beginning of the July. So you can see here, so that's why the people understand that it is a continuously falls of the Vechain. And I also predicated in my previous videos that Vechain will take a huge pump in the July month. So my friends, that's not mean that you are disappointed from Vechain. No, my friends, don't be disappointed. Keep hold Vechain till the end of July. My friends, absolutely Vechain have to take a jump in the July month, my friends. You have to just patience, you have to just wait for my friends. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here, let me show you, the price of Vechain is very pretty fast and from the last 1 month. So you know what, after a fast there is a jump. So absolutely the price is Vechain also fast down. So now at this time they have to take a jump. Don't decide to sell, my friends. It does not mean that you decide to sell if the price falls down. It's time to patience, my friend. It's time to wait for the Vechain pump. And I'm sure about the Vechain pump that in the July, that's confirmed, my friend, that Vechain will take a pump. What do you think about Vechain in future? Tell me your prediction, tell me your opinion about Vechain in the comment box. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.